Hi, my name is Mike Nolan. I'm an attorney in Brick, New Jersey. This is Ocean County in the Jersey Shore, and this is another one of our instructional videos. This video I'm going to explain to you 5 things that you should never do if you ever stop by the police. 5 things never to do if you're stopped by the police. The way you can remember this is the word panic. The first thing, number one thing, the letter P, is don't piss off the police officers. You do not want to piss them off for any reason. You don't want to curse at them. You don't want to be argumentative with them. You don't want to piss them off in any way. Second one, the thing that you should never do if you're ever stopped by the police, whether it be in a car, outside of your house, walking down the street, outside of a bank that was robbed. The second thing is that you don't want to act like an idiot. You don't want to do anything inappropriate. You don't want to get pulled over on a routine traffic stop and run off into the woods. You don't want to hide. You don't want to assault a police officer. You don't want to act like an idiot. You don't want to reach real fast into your waistband. The police officer doesn't know whether you're reaching for a weapon or not. Second thing that you should never do if you ever stop by the police is act like an idiot. Third thing, covered by the letter N. Remember, the word is panic. P-A.N.I.C. And N stands for you don't want to negotiate with the police officer. You don't want to really say anything to the police officer. You don't want to have any kind of a confrontation with him. You don't want to negotiate. That's for later, after you had an opportunity to hire a good attorney to represent your rights. Fourth thing is the letter I, very important. You do not want to incriminate yourself. You don't want to say anything. You want to give him your name and your address. If he asks you for your documents, you can give him your documents. You don't want to say, oh yeah, I just got out of a bar where we had 6 shots of Jack Daniels. That's not a good idea. You don't want to incriminate yourself. You don't want to say anything to him if you can avoid it. You have a right to remain silent under the Constitution, and you should exercise that right. Last thing, remember, is 5. The fifth one is the letter C. I was going to say 2 things. One, don't cry. It's immature, it's embarrassing. Don't blubber like a baby. But more importantly is you don't want to cop an attitude. You don't want to be pissed off if you're going to be arrested. You don't want to be pissed off if you get a ticket. You don't want to cop an attitude. That's just going to be held against you later on. That's it. Those are the 5 things you should never do if you ever stop by the police. Remember, don't panic. P-A-N-I-C. Piss off the cops. Act like an idiot. Negotiate. Incriminate yourself, or cop an attitude. If anything does happen, you feel free to contact a good attorney. Our firm is more than happy to help you. We protect our clients' rights. You can find out more information about our firm at www.lawnolan.com. That's LAWNOLAN.com, or call us at 732-2029-300. Remember, don't drink and drive, don't speed, be safe. Thank you.